Hi guys! Today I'm gonna play Where's My Water? So let's play. Or first should we type in my name? Oh, whoops. Okay. And this is what Ronan means. It's a samurai. It's a samurai without a master. 1988. What? Okay. Let's see images. Actually, guys, you want to see an Easter egg? Also. Oh, hey, oh. What the? Okay. Do you want to see this Easter egg first? Well, this is pretty cool. So I disconnect my Wi-Fi. And yeah, up on the shelf. Don't forget to leave a like or subscribe. Oh, thank you, Elf on the Shelf, for saying that. Okay. But what was it I get it right? Huh. Huh? Oh yeah, I do this, and then you enter, and then watch this. You're yelling in my ear.
Hey, mẹ mang cái này cho con nè. Can we share? Mẹ có thể lấy thêm.
Oh, these are from my mom actually. Right now. These are from my Elf on the Shelf. Yeah. I bought the berries instead. Look at these. That one was sour. Hey guys, I think I should end the video right here. And don't do it. Subscribe. Hope you subscribe.